In today's video, we'll show you how to modify and partially close open trades on MatchTrader. Let's get started. First, let's look at how to modify an open trade. Simply navigate to the bottom of the platform. Right here in the Open Positions tab, you'll see all the open trades. Now, let's add a stop loss to this GBP USD trade. Simply click on the plus icon next to the stop loss section, and a new window will pop up. Enter the desired stop loss. Remember, since this is a buy trade, the stop loss must be set below the current market price. If you try to set it above the current price, you'll get an invalid value error. So make sure to assign the correct stop loss. You can set the stop loss based on the price or desired value, targeting your acceptable loss level. Once you're satisfied, click Save, and the trade will be updated with the new settings. Following the same steps, you can also set your take profit. Just click the plus icon, enter your desired price, and save. To modify an already assigned stop loss or take profit, just click on the edit icon. I want an easier way to adjust the stop loss and take profit. Do it straight from the chart. Simply click on the plus icon here, and the stop loss or take profit line will appear. You can drag it to your desired price, and once you're happy with the placement, click Save. You can continue making modifications by dragging the stop loss or take profit lines on the chart whenever needed, and the settings will automatically update. Now, let's talk about partially closing a trade. Navigate to the bottom right corner of the open trade. You'll see the Modify icon. Click on that. Now enter the lot size you want to close. This is a trade for 0.08 lots, so let's close 0.02 lots. Click Save and that's it. The trade has now been partially closed, while the remaining 0.06 lots are still running. And that's how you modify or partially close open trades on MatchTrader. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.